Y'all, we getting ready to go to Monkey Island. I don't know why I'm dressing like I'm going for the day, but I gotta get my looks up.
Mostly the residential area, so the people, many locals, many locals. It's not too bad area. It's not too bad.
Okay. And where are we staying at?
You're staying in a barrio.
We like almost downtown, right?
That's a good area.
Yeah, your location is very good. I have many guests from your building where you are staying in Airbnb.
Okay.
That is a very, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Most of the guests, they said it's okay. It's okay. So, but the location is perfect.
Yeah, the location is.
Yeah, the location is good.
Yeah, they're right. It's okay.
Yes, it's okay.
But the location is perfect. But the other side across the bridge, where near the president, is that a good location?
Where is the Casco Viejo, the old city? The president living in the old city. I will show you the Panamanian White House.
Oh, we saw it. Remember we saw it?
Yeah, and it had the two white buildings.
When you cross that little big bridge or whatever, we did that yesterday. Yeah. But is that a good area to stay at over there?
Yes, Casco has got good parts and bad parts. Good parts is where is the president living.
Right.
This is where they helped us at. This is the hotel. Yes, we got lost the first night. That lady, yes, this is
lady, because we was not waiting.
The lady at the desk helped us. Yeah. Remember, he was cleaning the lobby. Yeah, we couldn't find our
No, this is not it.
Yes, it is.
I had walked down some stairs at that first
to go
hotel.
to the bathroom.
No, that first hotel when we first got
went
here?
to no, I'm talking about after that, not that one. When we got lost going out.
You've been here in this hotel?
Only in the lobby part. And remember, he was cleaning up the lobby and the lady at the desk called us a taxi. The taxi man got us home from here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And it was $10. Remember? Because I was like, he was like in that race car.
How did you get us way over here?
I'm telling you, it took us a minute to get back.
How did you get us way over here?
So you are from Holland?
Yeah, well, I'm from Aruba. Originally.
I wanted to tell the people
Aruba is a beautiful
smoke before I do it.
place.
You've been there?
No, but I had friends. They've been there.
Yeah,
it's a nice,
It's very nice. I love it.
Do we got an itinerary for Monkey Island?
Sometimes are you going home?
To the Panama
No,
Canal.
I'm half Aruban.
Today?
Colombian
We go to the
Aruban.
first.
Oh, that's
International.
good. International.
Yeah, so...
First time in Panama?
Stories up now.
No, it's the third
Yeah,
time.
the story.
This is the first time that I really gonna do
Not hungry. We need to converse a little bit more.
Yeah. So where do we get the fruit? There?
Yes, I bring enough fruit for them.
What type of fruit? Is it a variety
But
or
they
just
are very picky.
Oh, picky?
The white face cappuccino is very picky. Sometimes grapes, sometimes mango, sometimes banana, sometimes peanuts. It depends on what kind of mood they have. But I have different kind of foods.
They too much like humans.
What I'm bringing all the time.
Okay.
So if we are lucky, yes, they can come on the boat.
Okay.
I was reading up on like evolution or whatever, and this is crazy. Like, I hope that's real for real.
It didn't come from nowhere.
Yeah, it's real for real. I was reading up like, you could just see how you mentioned how they just got to looking more different and more different and more different.
Turkish bath.
Yes,
Yeah.
It's
someone
very-
from
You heard me.
Oakland. Yeah.
Yes, for that one.
Niggas just got to
yes.
looking more different and more
All
different.
the lagoons what the workers used in the ancient time. And from here, on the left hand side, which water you can see here is already the Gatun Lake. The Gatun Lake is the biggest artificial lake in the world. And that is the Centenario Bridge, one of the biggest bridges in Panama.
So it's not very wide. The canal's not really super wide. It's just deep, huh?
Yeah. You can sit with me here in the
Okay.
front.
Thank you.
All the time, both way traffic. When we will be there, I will explain to you now.
This is the canal right here.
Yep.
Oh, we got all that.
It's a view.
Stand up, y'all.
Put your glasses on.
This is the canal right here.
Yeah, but he said it's 8 to 12 hours, I guess, to transport, or however it works when they transport it. What?
So let me to give you a few information before we are going towards. So welcome to the Panama Canal. We are at the lake name is Gatun. Gatun Lake is the biggest artificial lake in the world. On your left hand side, this is the way to the Pacific side, and the right hand side, this is the way to the Caribbean. 130 years ago, there was no water here. Many indigenous people, mostly Embera Indians, lived here in this area. But because they flooded this area with water, they need to move out from different parts of the country. Mostly they moved to Panama City, but many Indians moved by the Chagres River. So behind us, the Chagres River, and the river is feeding the lake. Okay, you need to know a few things about, I would like to explain to you something about this area and about the whole Panama Canal, how it's working.
Record while I'm recording.
By the way, it was a good question. Not so long time ago, was a guy from Panama. He has got a costume, a pilot costume, and he been here. No, he was joking about fake money. Of course, they didn't know that, but everybody was like this.
You had to see it come off the little ledge right there. It's a little one.
It's a little
Oh,
one.
it's another little bitty one. This looks like a big one right here, though. Oh, that's a rock. fast.
Tiny monkeys with a long tail, and unfortunately they can't swim one island to another, so they stuck on the island, and yes, but it's prohibited.
Oh.
Prohibited, yes.
I don't know what type of monkey people make as a pet.
Sorry?
What type of monkey is that people make as a pet? The ones
Make as
that
a
have on
pet.
leash?
White-faced capuchin.
Oh, white face.
White-faced capuchin.
Capuchin.
They are very friendly, intelligent monkeys.
Oh.
So these monkeys are actually very shy. They are afraid from predators. One of the birds, name is caracara, like the monkeys, take it. So actually, if we are lucky today, they can come out and we can see them. But they are very, very shy. Many predators against them, like crocodiles, snakes. So all the monkeys actually they feel themselves more secure under trees. They are not going down. And sometimes, if we are lucky, because many monkeys know the Johnny and know me in this island, so sometimes they know our voice very well and they can come. So we will see what we do. I try to do my best.
I'm just gonna jump on the boat. Is it?
They can't come and jump on the boat. You gotta be way up on the boat.
Oh, these are baby ones. Y'all.
Don't worry. Yes, I can hear them. That is like a bird. Hello. Hello. Come. He's my friend. Wanna give him something? Give it to him. Here, you take it from me. What? Anyone? Show him. He's eating one.
They cannot swim?
No, they can. ¿Tú necesito ayuda? Don't worry, Jeffrey. Come back.
They swim?
No, he can.
He can't swim.
It takes me about 6 months because the monkeys don't trust humans.
Yeah.
take a little bit more.
He's not gonna jump in the water, right?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
He's not coming. Don't
Can't
worry.
swim.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will go back. You will go back. Okay?
Take you away from home.
Bye. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Great.
All the dredging in these pipelines, and they put on another side of the lake, so therefore the water is more shallow. That's the reason why we can go faster.
They dredged it in here, pumped it in here.
Yeah, they pump it in front of into the lake because of shallow water, not enough deep.
Hi, how are you? Come, come, come.
Oh wow.
Maybe one over there.
Oh.
Come, come.
Oh wow.
She's a female. The difference between the male and the female has got more brown head. Come.
More.
Come. Come. Come.
She gonna go get that one.
Come. 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 Here. Come.
Oh, I see one back up in there.
Can you hold it a little bit, please? Thank you. But take by two. Take by two. Come. Come.
Take a
Take
small
by
piece.
two. Take a small, please. And take.
Give it to him. Pass it.
Uh oh. Whoa. Whoa.
He got scared
Come.
as hell. Man. He
Yeah,
got wet
it
as
got
hell.
wet. Oh.
Damn, he got wet.
Oh.
Come.
He got-
He's gonna be wet
Come.
as hell.
Come.
Uh-huh.
They can't smoke for real.
Yeah, they can't smell. It caught it. Oh. Oh, I got
Take it down, take it down. Yes, because we want him to come in. Come in. Come.
Your way. It's your side.
You want?
You like peanuts, huh?
Oh my goodness. Yay. Yay, finally.
Hello, buddy.
Oh my goodness. Your banana little guy.
You just smell it.
Good job.
He likes banana.
Oh, yes.
They peel it and throw it down. Oh, he done. What? Body up.
If you're outside, can you search for something? I don't wanna wait. I'll take me where and make the song. Can you blow my mind? Set up my heart.
I don't know, I'm trying to see myself. Oh, these. It look like I got double D's, baby. My man said my boobs looking good and big. Ain't they? Tell the people. Say yes. Yeah, he capped. He see them double D's. Well, he said not double, but still.
Starbucks is right by us.
I like the other kind. You guys, we came back and we ate upstairs. Look how cute. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I need my Sunny, guys. We got cash. You want to go in?
I'll be in a minute here.
Okay. Thank you.
All this shit just trying to get sick.
That's wild. Like, wait.